guys, so in this video we're gonna see about my hair care journey. I made hell a lot of mistakes when it came to taking care of my hair. Arambathila, of course, I did a lot of things, but poga I changed everything completely, and that really ruined my hair, and I started getting severe hair fall. ஒரு கட்டத்தில் ஐ ஈவன் தாட் லைக் சொட்டையாயிடுவோமோ அந்த மாதிரி கூட எனக்கு பயம் வந்துருச்சு. அண்ட் பீப்புள் ஸ்டார்டட் ஆஸ்கிங் என்ன பிந்தா ஹேர் வந்து ரொம்ப தின்னாயிடுச்சு அந்த மாதிரி. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஸ்டார்ட்ல எனக்கு அந்த பேனிக் மோட் வரலனாலும் the surrounding people asking me actually made me realize that I really have to take care of my hair. So that's how the hair care journey started. So guys, 10 years back or even more than that, Pata, I had extremely thick hair, like really thick hair and very very curly. Na apna sonna kandipa neenga yarum namba mattinga, but that's the fact. Abdida en mudi irundhudu. Munadi and all, I never use any shampoo. I just properly oil my hair, and 24/7 I'll be oiling my hair because that's how my mom does it for me. And I generally use soap. So this is, I'm talking about my childhood days. Later what happened was change of places, change of water, change of countries lay different places marumbodhu, of course change of water, then climate change, then pollution, dust idella vandona I started getting dandruff issues. So dandruff issue vandona, what I did was I completely started ignoring using oil. Like how I used to use before, na adu complete abbe korachittu na enna panena vaarathukku or tharum andha madri oil use pannittu I'll have a hair wash. And I was very particular about picking the proper shampoo which would help me to get rid of dandruff. So in the madri nariya problems started coming to me, and I started changing shampoos, and there was a time where I completely stopped oiling, thinking that oil vaikkiranala da dandruff varanala da enak hair fall varudhu andha madri ellathiyum na connect panna aarambichu. I totally stopped oiling, and epayume I shampoo, that's it. Like sometimes I change shampoo depending on எனக்கு வந்து அந்த கரெக்டா dandruff problem இல்லாம போற மாதிரி I keep changing my shampoos. So this is how it was happening, guys, and I never realized that my hair was getting thin. I felt like my texture was changing. So na romba curly thick hair la irundhu it started my hair texture was getting more calm and konjam or silky based, and I really loved it. So what I did was, what I'm doing is correct da abdinu nenichittu I started following the same. Or 2-3 years back, severe hair fall happened to me. So this started happening to me because already na pannittu irundha the method vandu it started getting worse. Okay, so I didn't realize, and I felt that ஐயோ என்னடா ஹேர் ஃபால் ரொம்ப அதிகமாகிற மாதிரி இருக்கே. And also I started getting a lot of cut hairs. Now what I'm talking is, like if you take a hair like this, no, generally it will be like proper length, adile vandu paadi or like you lose it, breakage madri. So these things are happening is because your hair is getting very delicate. Now my texture started changing completely different, and I was like, what is happening? I was very happy initially, but later I was like, okay, something is really wrong. And also guys, எனக்கு இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி நிறைய பேர் ஃபீட்பேக் கொடுத்தது வந்து என்ன வைக்காதன்னு நிறைய பேர் சொன்னாங்க. பிகாஸ் என்ன வைக்கிறனாலே அவ்வளோ பிரச்சனை வரும், அதனால என்ன வைக்காத, நல்லா ஷாம்பு போட்டு வாஷ் ஹேர்ஸ் உனக்கு நல்லா திக்கா வரும். தீஸ் ஆர் த ideas that I got from people around, and that completely changed my hair texture and made me fall into trap. So then I realized, okay, I have to take care of my hair, because that was the time. So this is like I'm talking about 2 years ago. I felt something is really wrong. Should I, like, consult a dermatologist, or should I do something about it? No, romba bayande. But later I just let it go. I was like, okay, probably I'll stress இருக்கலாம். So stress ஆகாம பார்த்துக்கலாம், அந்த மாதிரிலாம் கூட I started thinking. ரீசெண்டாக கைஸ் இதை வந்து நான் கொஞ்சம் சீரியஸாக எடுத்தேன். I was like, okay, இப்படியே போச்சுன்னா கண்டிப்பாக சொட்டதால தான். So I was like, I have to do something about it. And what I did was, recent time, that is this year March, I started slowly taking care of my hair. That is, every hair wash முன்னாடி 2 hours-க்கு நான் நல்லா ஆயில் மசாஜ் ஒன்று பண்ணிட்டு தான் I will have a hair wash. ஆயிலை பற்றி நான் இன்னொரு வீடியோவில் நான் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக உங்களுக்கு சொல்கிறேன், என்ன மாதிரி ஆயில் யூஸ் பண்ணணும் and everything. But now I make sure that that's when I realized that oiling your hair is really important, guys. That's like you drinking water. Unga hair ku vande it needs water mari. Oiling is very important. Yaar sonnalum kekadinga, don't quit oiling. Oiling is very necessary. உங்களுக்கு ஃபுல்லா ஆயில் வச்சிட்டு இருக்கறனால என்ன வலிற மாதிரி ஃபீல் ஆச்சுனா, what you do is உங்க hair wash முன்னாடி ஒரு 2 hours at least நல்ல ஆயில் வந்து ஒரு மசாஜ் பண்ணிட்டு then you have a hair wash. அந்த மாதிரி I started doing, and what I did was I completely cut my hair very short. Now there's another thing which I do is I go to the salon and I trim. Now okay, எனக்கு வந்து split ends வருது அப்படின்னு நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன், ட்ரிம் பண்ணிடுவேன். I'll be like, okay, ஒரு half inch or 1 inch because I wanted to have long hair. சரி இவ்வளோ போதும் அப்படின்னு ட்ரிம் பண்ணிட்டு then I'll be like, okay, now it's time for me to take care of my hair. I'll do oiling, I'll do this, I'll do that. I keep doing it again and again. I keep getting split ends. So what I did was, okay, this problem is not getting solved. So what I did was I completely, இப்போ இவ்வளோ இருந்தது hair முன்னாடி, which was thin, it was getting very thin. So நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா கம்ப்ளீட்டா ஃபுல்லா லைக் ரொம்ப ஷார்ட்டா நான் ஃபுல், and I didn't do any layers, just one shot. I cut my own hair because at that time it was lockdown. So I cut my own hair full and ஒரு length full short வெட்டிட்டு then I started doing all these kinds of things, oiling my hair and also intake. Like as I told you in my previous video, I started taking a lot of dry fruits and nuts, and then I'm trying my level best to drink a lot of water. And another very important thing, comb your hair every single day because blood circulation is very important around your scalp. Even guys, this might sound a little funny, but try doing this. Unga hair vandu konja try pulling it like this. You know, the more you do like something like this, no, like slightly pull your hair like this, you're giving a bit of that blood circulation around your scalp. அப்படி பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப வலிக்குது அப்படின்னா, which means remember your scalp and your hair is very sensitive and it's actually in a bad condition. Okay, so make sure that you at least massage your hair like this, like try to pull your hair a bit like this, like whenever you're free, whenever you're getting time, இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்லைட்டா அப்படி pull பண்ணீங்கன்னா, at least if you forget to comb, that actually gives good blood circulation. And combing your hair every day is very important. அதையும் மறந்துடாதீங்க, that's extremely important. So combing, oiling, and if you have split ends, make sure, if you're actually following this in a serious method, if you have split ends, make sure you completely cut your hair extremely short and start this process so that you can see the results. Trust me guys, like people around me, they've started telling, Bindya, I can actually see that your hair is getting a little thick. Now this is not going to happen overnight, okay? Now don't think, okay, 1 week my hair is going to be extremely thick. No, it will definitely take months, but don't stop it. Very important, oiling, combing, and if you have time, just massage a bit like this. Pull your hair and massage a bit. The more you give little, good strength to your hair, the more your hair gets stronger. So I hope this video really helps you, because don't do the mistakes I did. ஹேர் ஃபாலுக்கு வந்து நிறைய ரீசன்ஸ் இருக்கு கைஸ். ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் சொல்லுவாங்க, சேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் பிளேஸ், சேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் வாட்டர், பொல்யூஷன், ஈட்டிங் ஜங்க், யோர் டயட் இஸ் நாட் ப்ராப்பர், இப்படிலாம் நிறைய இருக்கும். பட் இவ்வளோ பிரச்சனை இருந்தாலும் டோன்ட் வரி, ஃபோக்கஸ் இன் combing every day and focus in keeping oil before at least you have a hair wash, and focus on massaging your scalp once in a while so that the blood circulation really increases, and focus in your diet as well. So these are the points that will help to get healthy hair, and trust me, I'm following that and it's really helping me, and I hope this will be useful for you guys as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next week. Next videos I'll actually talk about how to get rid of that dandruff. That I'll do one video on that, and also I'll talk about what kind of oil to be used. So in the madri vandu I'll definitely share. நீங்க எல்லாம் கேட்டிட்டு இருந்ததா, so கண்டிப்பா I'll share. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது doubts இருந்தா please comment in this video and let me know. Have a great day and bye.